Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to share thread to Instagram story with preview. So guys, you can actually just take a screenshot to your profile on thread just like that. Alright, and after that I just want you to go into your profile. Yeah, we are on our profile, and right here what I want you to do is to go into share profile. Right here, tap on it, and after that I want you to go into copy link. All right, and yeah, so go to your Instagram, go to your profile also, and right here tap on this plus icon and choose that screenshot that we just take or took. And right here what I want you to do is to go into this stickers, tap on it, and here as you can see there are multiple options and features. What I want to do is to go into link, tap on it, and paste the link that we just copied on our threads, the link of our profile, paste it, and then tap on done. So guys, right now you can just positionate your threads and which angle you will prefer to it to be. So let's just pass it, set up right here, and then I want you to go into this one, and yeah, you will post the story to your Instagram, and also you will share threads to Instagram, to your Instagram story with a simple preview, which is the screenshot. Anyways, thank you for watching and goodbye.